Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to stop hosting or auto-renewal. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your browser and log into your hPanel account. Once logged in, you'll land on the hPanel dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the Billing section. You'll usually find a tab labeled Billing on the main menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Subscriptions or just Billing, depending on how your version of hPanel is structured. This section will display a list of all your active services, including hosting plans, domains, and any additional add-ons you may have purchased. Once you've found the right service, look for a small arrow icon next to it. Clicking on this arrow will expand the service details, revealing more options. Within these expanded options, search for the setting labeled Disable Auto Renew. It may be placed alongside other details, but once you expand the section, you should see it clearly. Click on Disable Auto Renew, and the system will likely prompt you with a confirmation message. Once auto renewal is disabled, the service will remain active until the end of its current billing cycle, but will not renew automatically. And there you have it. So that is how you can stop hosting or auto renewal. So that's all for this video. Thanks.